Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD hairdryer gets hot but blows no air, you're likely facing a blockage or a malfunction in the motor. This issue can arise from lint accumulation or a damaged fan. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to more severe damage, resulting in costly repairs or the need for a complete replacement. For this repair, you will need a precision screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, a soft brush, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure that your hairdryer is unplugged to guarantee your safety. Begin by carefully removing the end cap of the hairdryer. Use your precision screwdriver to unscrew the screws holding the casing together. Remember to keep track of the screws as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry apart the casing, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, locate the fan assembly. This is usually situated at the back of the device. Inspect the fan for any debris or hair that might be causing the blockage. If you find any, use your soft brush to remove it gently. If the fan appears damaged, you may need to replace it. To do this, disconnect any wires attached to the motor. Be cautious with the connectors, as they can be fragile. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've replaced the fan, reassemble the hairdryer by reversing the steps you took to open it. Ensure all screws are tightened securely, and reattach the end cap. Plug in your hairdryer and turn it on to check if it's functioning correctly. You should now feel a steady airflow. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to clean the filter regularly and avoid using your hairdryer in dusty environments. This will help prolong the life of your device and ensure it operates efficiently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.